Andito po tayo ngayon sa Kudal Park, Bagulin. Time check is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. na po ngayon. Katatapos lang po naming mag-picture-picture at uuwi na po kami. Itong mapapanood nyo po na video na in-upload ko ay pabaliktad naman. Reverse po. Galing po tayo dito sa Tagudtod. Tapos bababa tayo papunta sa Kambali hanggang sa town ng Bagulin sa Suyo. Marami na po kasing nag-vlog dito sa papunta sa Kudal Park, pero yung mga vlog po nila ay mapapanood nyo po kung paano sila umakyat dito. Tayo naman po ay kung paano tayo bababa. Maganda po yung daan dito. Ito po yung tinatawag nilang twisties ng La Union. Dito lang po sa town ng Bagulin, La Union. Tara na po sa deck na tinatawag. Yung mga pupunta po dito, maghanda lang po kayo ng may babayaran na mga environmental fee, pero hindi naman po mahal. Mga 10 pesos lang po sa bawat isa na papasok na mga turista.
Baby, when I met you, there was peace unknown. I set out to get me to fight to calm. I was soft inside. There was something going on. You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on. The love is blind, it requires a dedication. All this love we feel needs no conversation. We ride it together, making love with each other, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. I can live without you if the love was gone. Everything is nothing if you got no one, and you just walk in the night, slowly losing sight of the real thing. But that what happened to us when we got no doubt. Too deep in love and we got no way out, and the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing. No more will you cry, baby, I will hurt you never. We started and as one, in love forever. We can ride it together, making love with each other, islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another,
Nandito na po tayo sa Barangay Suyo, Downtown Bagulin. This is June the Bold 45. Maraming salamat po.